Today I'm going to make Lucky Charm treats. First, in my large pot, I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of butter. Then I'm going to add a whole bag of mini marshmallows. I'm going to cook this on medium heat until everything is melted. Now that everything is melted, I'm just going to give it a stir, and then I'm going to add 6 cups of Lucky Charms. Then I'm just going to mix that until the Lucky Charms are coated in the marshmallow mixture. Now I'm going to add my Lucky Charms mixture into my parchment lined 9x13 pan and spread it out. Now that I got the Lucky Charms mixture spread out, I'm going to drizzle some green chocolate. Once the chocolate dried, I cut the bars into squares, and here's an up-close look.